Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this lecture we are talking about the swing package in some more details. Okay, so I have already told you that what is the swing package or why we use it. Whenever we require some GUI applications, we can use two packages in Java. One is Arc and the other one is Swing. So we can say that Swing library is an official Java GUI toolkit and it is released by Sun Macro system. Yes, Swing is probably the most advanced toolkit on this planet. It has a rich set of widgets. Okay, it has widgets like buttons, labels, scroll bars, and advanced widgets like trees and tables. आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि स्विंग जो है it is bigger than art. Okay, so if it is bigger than art, it will have a lot of widgets and components, and it will have many advanced widgets like trees and tables. Okay, Swing is written 100% in Java. Another thing about Swing is Swing is the part of JFC, and JFC is known as Java Foundation Classes. It is a collection of packages for creating full-featured desktop applications. Okay, what is SWAT library? SWT library. There is also another GUI library for the Java programming language, and it is called SWT or SWAT library. The standard widget toolkit. It is SWT is known as standard widget toolkit. The SWT library was initially developed by the IBM corporations. Okay, now it is an open source project and it is supported by the IBM. The SWT is an example of a heavyweight toolkit and it lets the underlying operating system to create GUI applications. SWT uses the Java native interfaces to do the job. The main advantage of the SWT are speed and native look and feel. Okay, so the SWT is on the other hand more error prone. It is less powerful than Swing. So we know that Swing is as compared to SWT and as compared to the AWT, it is much more flexible and easier to use. Here is a programming code in which we are using a JFrame from the Swing library. So we know that if you want to use a Swing package, we have to import it. Okay, so the import statement I have already told you in my earlier lecture that how we will import the Swing. We will write the statement import javax.swing.jframe if you want to use the JFrame in your applications. Okay, so first of all we will create a class by any name, and let's suppose it is simple. Here in this code, simple is the class name and it is extended from the JFrame. So we have make a subclass simple of the superclass JFrame. Okay, now within this class we have defined a method simple, and within this simple method we have set the size of the JFrame frame size, and that is 300 by 200, and we have also declared the title by using the set title method. आप अगर साइज सेट करना चाहते हैं तो आप सेट साइज मेथड यूज़ करेंगे. आप अगर फ्रेम का टाइटल सेट करना चाहते हैं तो यू विल यूज़ अ सेट टाइटल. So set title is simple JFrame. Okay, and set default close operation. Okay, whenever you are using the JFrames, you need to close it as well. Okay, with the close operation, we have to close the JFrame. Okay, so now look at in the main method. In the main method, we are declaring simple object by the name simple, and it is the object of the simple class. Okay, Now simple dot set visible, we are calling a set visible method by passing it a true. नाउ जब आप सेट विजिबल को ट्रू पास करेंगे, सेट विजिबल मेथड जो है इससे क्या होगा कि जो हमारा फ्रेम है जो हम डिज़ाइन करने जा रहे हैं वो विजिबल होगा और उसको हमने ट्रू वैल्यू पास की है, ठीक है। तो वेन एवर दिस प्रोग्राम रन्स तो लोकेटेड आपको एक जे फ्रेम मिलेगा। Okay, here first of all we have import the java start swing dot jframe. Here we import the jframe widget, ठीक है। It is a top level container. So first of all we need a top level container which is used for placing other widgets. हमने एक फ्रेम जो है वो बनाना है जिसके ऊपर हम फिर अदर कंट्रोल्स रखेंगे, ठीक है। तो फ्रेम्स जो है दे आर अवेलेबल इन द jframe class. So every frame if you are creating, आप अगर अपना कोई फ्रेम डिज़ाइन करेंगे तो आपने उसको एक्सटेंड करना है जे फ्रेम क्लास से, ठीक है। सो सेट टाइटल, सेट साइज इज़ द मेथड जिसके ज़रिए हमने अपने फ्रेम का साइज़ जो है वो चूज़ कर लिया है, दैट इज़ 300 एंड 200 इन डायमेंशन। सेट टाइटल मीन्स कि अगर आप इस फ्रेम को कोई टाइटल देना चाहते हैं, इसके टाइटल बार पे कोई नाम आए तो आप उसको वो नाम पास कर देंगे, ठीक है। इस वक्त इस फ्रेम का जो टाइटल है वो है सिंपल। दिस कोड विल resize the window to be 300 pixel wide and 200 pixel tall and it will set the title of the window to simple. Okay, set default close operation. What does it do? This method will close the window if we click on the close button. Okay, by default nothing. Okay, what happens now, look at it, you will have a jframe like this. Okay, so with the help of this code you can make you can extend a jframe class. Okay, ओके सेट इमेज आइकन फॉर फ्रेम, अगर आप फ्रेम के लिए कोई इमेज आइकन बनाना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, तो आप कैसे करेंगे। आपने इमेज आइकन का एक ऑब्जेक्ट डिक्लेयर करना है आइकन, आइकन इक्वल टू एंड यू विल पास एन इमेज आई डॉट जेपेज, कोई भी आप इसको इमेज पास कर देते हैं, ठीक है। एंड देन एफ डॉट सेट आइकन इमेज आइकन डॉट गेट इमेज। ओके, ये दो मेथड्स आप यूज़ करेंगे।